Nawe ogenda kukola kwanjula? Ogambye nti ogenda kukola wa?
Ngenda kumpima kongoye za kukyalo omwana w'abandi ngende mwanjuleyo. Omusolo nguwoomerwe nga kyekyo. Owoomerwa nga n'okusima bw'okola kyera nze nazaala wange namusiima dda pasiteyo twagirako ku Facebook emyaka egyayita ng'ena egiyise. Mwebaliza okunzaalira omukira nze ndeka maana.
Omwebaliza nazaala okuzaalira omwana omulenzi
omuwombeefu.
Ne bannaye nze nali malina okwogera tayogera.
Mpozi wamulaba wange ayogera.
The first time twali ku launch yayogera naye nga ne mune mama Jono yagadde Asha mu kusaagirira okwo munnaye ffe twali tumanyi jasi omwagalako bwagazi.
Kati ali taata wa mwana.
Taata wa mwana kati
ampe Mirembe. Buli mukazi kyanoonya actually nze abakazi we have to date many abatuwa emirembe. Sagala nnyo kudatinga musajja agenda kunfuula to own me. Yeah. I do what I want.
You do what you want. Kati wavudde waka n'omugamba nti ojja wano oba tewamugambye?
Nze banga asigala n'essimu alina intaneti waddembe naye okufuna yamubeesabeesa. Mwana abandi simumalaako mirembe.
Mwakikkanyi mwaki tulagala ekyo ne mukikkanyaako nti
bw'abanga akyagadde obudde nga butuuse tewali tabu.
Ajjo n'olimba naawe. Kyogamba gwe bw'ofuna n'akwana osobola okukkiriza ne bakwana.
It depends kubanga kati ankwana agenda kubanga amusinga kasolo amusinga kunzina bulungi kati ekyo nakimala. Bano abasente mpozi nga abazungu. Omuzungu aba agenda tuwasa babiri nze ne bba wange butana kunkigamba. Omuzungu atwala nze ne Asha. Alina okuwasa bba wange aleka mwana w'abandi yamanyira okunywa amata. Amuleke mu mpewo.
Kati kitegeeza naye bw'aba
Sugar daddy yenna ajja mpasa n'omusajja wange kyekitutwala mu bufumbo. Until death apart us.
Ekitegeeza ne bw'aba naye afunyeyo omukyala ebbali gwe tonyiiga.
Omukyala naye tumwagala babiri. Bw'akeera ku makya n'agamba afunye ekijuujulu. Ekijuujulu nakyo kibeera kikyala kyange.
Obulamu bwo obutambuza otya obw'omu maka?
Gwe nkutidde bba wange waakwana omuwala. Omuwala tumwagala aba
babiri.
Bwe nfuna omusajja atutwala babiri ffe tetugenda kwawukana. Era bw'aba afunye omuwala mmanyi omuwala alina kyansinzizzaako wanteekeyo nange mpoomerwe ku muwala. Tugenda babiri. Muwala bamuwasa nze ntwala akabbo k'omuwala wali.
Naye obufumbo obunyumidde munnange. Ate oluddeyo ewa Asha kati
bba wange agere ku makyanga afunye ekiwala bwe kiti. Kiwala kinyiira kirina amatako kiri ku origino. Nyiige. Bwe mba n'ennamba yakyo nze nkitwala ku ddina bonna ne ntandika obbateekamu ssente.
Naye naawe wandyagadde okola BBL mama Jona?
Olinga amazzi obadde tokimanyi nti ne date eri fixed.
Ekikigwe hababa agenda okula.
Banne olaba mbadde
tulinnyako.
Olaba mbadde.
Good morning all. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to make this place loud. To take all over East Africa. We're gonna slay it. We're gonna cause chaos in no matter where I'm in that department. Drama. Thank you for coming. Thank you for looking good. Salvador, come please. Feel bad luck. The neighbors are open in a stick one man of fire. Before you go out, I'd like to keep you as my new co-host. I'm such a bad done the game. There you go, you have to translate. I know you okay, we try. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for giving this function honor. You're welcome. This is a new function which is going to be all over East Africa. We have all traditionals, white men. We have every culture here.
But then Salah or Kevin Bellwood, Master of Skilling, it's a Muganda Sichimani. Atuyambe, Aje, Okolo Guno, where's the Shiba Tunyonyore? Play it loud in the Chekolam.
We want to take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Kelvin Borewood to come and take us through into this function of Play It Loud.
What a fantastic.
Tell me I'm so smart. Why should I hide myself? Our dear guest honor. Hello. Ladies, you always look beautiful. I want to take this opportunity to welcome our guest of honor, Madame Juliet. Thank you. Hey, Madame Juliana, long now.
I do like the song though. I really like the song. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for gracing this event with your presence. As we look to your right on the screen and to your left, we'll be trailers playing content that will be showing and made loud. To give you service no matter where you are. I hope to meet each and every one of you tonight. Thank you so much.
The other four glass. We need to raise our glasses to the creators, the innovators, and exporting the most beautiful place on earth to the rest of the world. Raise your glasses to Play It Loud. Cheers. Thank you very much.
Another round of applause for Juliana. Is not the Wi-Fi password. Let it go. But I've just been informed that they've adjusted from
our partners who help us do this. That is the power. So some people would say, why America has introduced a campaign, Michael Power. If you guys remember it. I remember it. At that time I was 4. And it ran for 7 years. It ended up in 2006. But the power of Michael Power was great because I am a victim of that. When I was young, looking at this, it worked long term. And it can work. And that is the power we have with labor. Someone's going to be like, wow, how do we do that? We're going to be doing a 360 for both promoting our creators who are all over the room now and with you. The loud 360 goes like this. We will be loud on the stream. That is the content. We will be loud on the stream. So we'll be loud on the stream. So clients, your logo will be written.
Is our creative skilling program. Our beautiful country of Uganda is full of young creators. Many of them are in this room now. Because we believe in one powerful truth. As we said earlier, skills equal jobs, jobs equal dignity, and growth and the central success of our platform. It isn't just an internship, it's a launchpad of young people. It will place young creators inside real experience in a bustling studio, industry exposure, and the confidence to take their craft to the next level.
Things are around, and we need these videos to be clear so we can show them to you later. So please honor that and be respectful of the person on stage. Thank you very much.
Something Uganda has never experienced before. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to call back Mr. Katoka Tende to actually give you a big thank you. And I want to call all the creators who are part of Playing Loud to come on stage so that your partners, the guys who are going to fuel this engine, and the people watching us at home can see what we have. Mr. Katoka. So our partners, our creators, if you can join us on stage for a very special moment. And then later on we'll be joining our guest speaker for a photo moment.
Can we have Bokoro, please make your way? Chef Christian, everybody. Catherine, please make your way. If you know that you signed with Play Loud,
guys,
cooking with us.
This is your moment. They need to see who is going to influence the next thing. And now we have the full audience. And we are going to play it loud. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to play it loud. And these are few of them here on stage. A lot of guys are behind, a lot of guys are watching us online. And this is just the beginning.
Make your way around, please. Make your way. People on the overflow. I know we have activity in the overflow.
Go guys behind. That's all.
The photos ready?
The press, you can take some photos with us right now.
We have any creatives in the overflow. I need some.
So ladies and gentlemen, what you see there is what we're offering, and more are behind and more watching us online who couldn't make it tonight. We have the co-creators, we have the Loud platform, so come, let's make Africa one of the biggest ever.
I promise we're not going to start singing We Are the World. But this feels like We Are the World. This feels like the greatest night in pop. We need a song, we need like a good song. Apostle, please make your way. Please, Apostle.
Alright guys.
Brian, please make your way. Brian, Apostle. Brian, please make your way. Please make your way. So we'll say it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll say play it loud. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Play it loud!
Yeah. We do it again. The press wants us to do it again. Alright, let's do it again. Kato, you want to count us again?
100, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Actually, no. Please make it right. Wouldn't be right. You got the tourism board in the house, please? Should I go in the house, please?
100, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Play loud!
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll give you back to the MCs for the after party.
From this bold vision, Play It Loud will create 5,000 jobs. 5,000 jobs, ladies and gentlemen, in the creative industry. 1,000 through our production and creative programs. Beyond that, we'll generate sustainable work for over 3,000 verified content created loud. At Play It Loud, we know that technology alone doesn't shape our future, but people do. All the creatives in here, all the creatives that eventually will come to us and share their content. That's why our mission goes far beyond